trending moments together?
Actually, our fans, the Jadine fans, every day, no matter what the hashtag is, they can make a trend like that. So they're really
Wow.
incredible.
Opo, actually sila po talaga yung yung magaling po sa trending, and most of the time hindi na po namin nakikeep track, hindi na po namin alam kung ano yung nagte-trending, na may mga topics po. Nagugulat na lang po kami, may magsasabi sa amin, oh trending trending kayo, ganito yung topic. Nagugulat na lang po talaga kami. Actually yung supporters po talaga namin, yung JDs po talaga yung unbelievable po yung suporta po na binibigay nila sa amin.
But for you two, ano yung top trending moments niyo together?
Maybe like your top favorite moments
Na
together?
topics?
Yes.
Trending
Or
topics?
favorite moments together?
Favorite
yes.
moments po namin together. I guess, one na po, that would be yung nag-San Francisco po kami sa Napa Valley. It was really amazing. I mean, para po siyang para po siyang movie talaga. Na top down po, then driving to the highway, tapos sa
I honestly
Golden
felt like a Hollywood star.
Opo.
Driving over the bridge, really.
That po, and of course, would forget yung premiere night po ng Diary ng Pangit. That was the best po talaga. And what else? Ang dami. Dami po eh. Anyway, we have San Francisco, we have Diary ng Pangit. What else? Wait, tulungan mo naman ako. Hiningitian mo lang ako.
I thought you meant like trending, as in actually trending on Twitter.
Not for you.
Events, like events.
Okay. Again, I'm getting like brain freeze.
Sorry po, kasi maaga pa lang po na. Ano pa ba?
Actually, before this, guys, they've had 2 guestings. Go ahead.
Last month, we were in Lawag po for the, what?
Yeah.
Para po sa
Good
concert
moment.
po namin. Pero 4 po kami dito. Lima po kami. There was me, James, Yasi po, Andre, and Donalyn. Sa Sand Dunes po kami. Actually, akala po namin lahat mamamatay na po kami doon. Kasi basta sobrang fun, sobrang wild po yung nangyari sa amin doon. Saya po. That was one of the best moments po ever.
Another one.